There's a number of ropes to help you navigate through here. It's overcast today, still very hot. Okay, I've been going for 2.5 hours. I'm at 630 meters above sea level. This is the second time I've been here, so you can check out my other video coming up, Gable End Ridge Track. Looking down to the coast. The track's now a mixture of tree cover coming out into the tussock. I'm 910 meters above sea level. And follow the ridge around to the top there, over to Waiopehu hut. The sign here says South Ohau Track, emergency exit. So the Te Araroa Track goes up to the top here, turns left, comes down to Te Araroa hut, which I can't see, but it's down there somewhere. And then it goes up the ridgeline all the way up to the top of the ridgeline, and then I think hangs a right. It's now 12 o'clock. I'm almost at the end of the ridgeline. That's what the track looks like up here. Okay, so it's 4 hours 15 minutes since I left the car park. Just reached the sign to say Te Araroa hut left. 2 hours, Waiopehu hut, 3 hours. There's Waiopehu hut over there. Okay, this is going to be my lunch stop. Nice view looking across. I've now been walking for 5 hours and 20 minutes. Just down there is Waiopehu hut, Levin in the distance. After I get to the top of this section, it's maybe 15 minutes down to Waiopehu hut. Still no wind, which is pretty amazing for an area like this. So now I have my descent down to Waiopehu hut. A good opportunity for a coffee stop, get some water from the hut. Richard's knob must be just there where I had lunch. I also have a video of an overnight trip that I did to Waiopehu hut that's worth checking out. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. That would be awesome. Appreciate any feedback. This is just a piece of forest above Waiopehu hut. Okay, after 6 hours walking, been a bit of an epic day.